Mr. Morales-Gomez, you're accused of the first-degree felony offense of injury to a child causing serious bodily injury.
Señor Morales Gómez, usted se está acusando del delito grave en primer grado de lesionar a un menor de edad, causándole daño corporal o lesiones corporales serias.
Mr. Levine, on probable cause for Mr. Morales-Gomez.
Investigators at the Special Victims Unit noted that the 2-year-old complainant, KR, had been transported to Memorial Hermann Hospital via life flight.
Los agentes de policía que se dedican a investigaciones especiales para víctimas anotaron o observaron que la víctima o la creyente o el creyente de 2 años había sido transportado por helicóptero vía aérea con lesiones o lastimaduras que eran amenazantes a su vida.
Deputy Thomas with Special Victims Unit arrived on scene and spoke with a registered nurse who gave more information on the injuries of the complainant.
Y el alguacil Thomas, que es un agente con la unidad de especialidades en víctimas, investigaciones de las víctimas, llegó allí al lugar de los hechos en el hospital y habló con una enfermera que le dio a él más información detallada acerca de las lesiones.
Those injuries included swelling to the brain, which was not receiving adequate oxygen, a fractured jaw, a broken clavicle, and bruising on the chest, forearm, and legs.
Entonces, esas lesiones incluían una lesión al cerebro que no estaba recibiendo adecuado flujo de oxígeno. También una mandíbula fracturada y una clavícula fracturada y también I'm sorry, Mr. Levine, after the broken clavicle, what did you say was the
Yes, sir. The last thing was bruising on the chest, forearms, and legs.
moretones en el pecho, en los antebrazos y en las piernas.
The defendant was interviewed when he got home from dropping his wife off from work.
El acusado fue entrevistado cuando llegó a su casa después de que había dejado a su esposa en el trabajo.
That he grabbed the complainant and bit his lip so hard that his lip began to bleed.
Y luego agarró al querellante y mordió su labio tan fuerte que su labio del querellante empezó a sangrar.
He stated he grabbed the complainant and squeezed him tightly.
Él declaró que él agarró al querellante y lo apretó fuertemente.
Defendant stated he noticed something was wrong with the complainant, so he called his wife, then took the child to a hospital.
El acusado declaró que él notó que algo estaba mal con el querellante, entonces él le llamó a su esposa y llevaron al menor de edad al hospital.
And, Your Honor, I have an additional statement from the officer who stated that the defendant stated that biting the complainant and squeezing his hand is what caused the injuries.
Y también tengo otra declaración, señora juez, del agente de policía, quien declaró que el acusado declaró que el morderle el labio al querellante y apretarle sus manos fue lo que ocasionó o causó las lesiones que él presentaba.
And the officer has been informed that the child is on life support and there is a good chance the child will not survive.
Y el agente de policía ha sido informado que el menor de edad ahorita está dependiendo de máquinas para sostenerlo vivo y que probablemente no va a sobrevivir.
Thank you, Your Honor.
Thank you. Mr. Levine, I'm going to find probable cause exists in your case, Mr. Morales-Gomez.
Señor Morales Gómez, en su caso encuentro que existe causa probable
Your case is pending in the 179th District Court. That's Judge Randy Roll.
Su caso se va a ver en la Corte del Distrito 179 y el juez se llama Randy Roll.
Sir, would you like Judge Roll to give you a court-appointed lawyer in your case?
Usted, señor, quiere que el juez Roll a usted le ponga un abogado de oficio, abogado gratis, que lo represente en su caso. Yes.
Would you like Mr. Barton's help with this hearing?
Usted da permiso, quiere que el abogado Barton lo ayude aquí en esta audiencia. Yes.
Are you a U.S. citizen, Mr. Morales-Gomez?
Señor Morales-Gomez, ¿usted es ciudadano de Estados Unidos? No.
All right, what country are you a citizen of, sir?
¿De qué país es usted ciudadano? Honduras. Honduras.
Would you like for us to notify the Honduran consulate of your arrest?
¿Usted quiere que yo le mande notificar al consulado de Honduras que usted está aquí arrestado? Yes.
The request is granted. Mr. Barton on bail for Mr. Morales-Gomez.
Senator, we'd ask for a $50,000 bond. We point out that since the docket started, immigration has filed a hold on them.
Okay.
And we understand also that you are not able to give a pretrial release bond, so we will not request one.
Thank you, Mr. Barton. Okay, $50,000. No position. All right, Mr. Levine on bail for Mr. Morales-Gomez.
The state is asking for a $500,000 bond, Your Honor. Unfortunately, our information is this may turn into a fatality,
Yes.
and due to the age of the complainant, that could be conceivably up to a capital case at that point.
All right, thank you, Mr. Levine. All right, Mr. Morales-Gomez, due to the nature of the allegations in this case, and there not being any condition or combination of conditions that I can put in place to ensure the safety of the community or to protect this young victim, I'm going to set this bond at $500,000, and I cannot approve a personal bond based on the Texas Code of Criminal Procedure, Section 17.03. And also, there is an ICE hold in place. Which could also impact your ability to appear in court. The state or the alleged, well, the state or the parent of the alleged victim is requesting a protective order in this case. I'm going to grant that order, and I'll speak to you about that at the end of docket. All right. Please have a seat. I'll speak with you at the end of docket.